Let's have a closer look at an example of a performance report and what's in it. At the very top section, you can see on the left that this is a monthly report for February 2022. On the right, it states that this is a management report as it contains more than one experience point. In this example, the report shows the results of a specific group, here called Company ABC. The group has 4 units, aka experience points. The results are of a specific survey named Please Rate Our Service Today. If there's more than one survey active at the same time for this group, you'd receive a separate email performance report for each survey. Here, you can see the total results for this survey for the group. The smiley buttons show the percentage and response amount, and you can also see the overall performance index value and the total amount of responses here. The comparison chart shows the results of each experience point in this group. You can also easily see each of their index value and total response amount. The best performed experience point is listed first, and the worst performed the last. This table shows risers and fallers. Risers show the experience points that have the biggest increase in performance index value. Fallers show the experience points that have the biggest decrease. This all units combined daily distribution chart shows the results of each active day during the report's time period. This all units combined weekday distribution chart shows the average results of each active weekday during the report's time period for February 2022 in this example. This all units combined hourly distribution chart shows the average results of each active hour during the report's time period for February 2022 in this example. Since this report example here is a monthly report, this chart shows the comparison of this time period with the previous months. The pain points chart shows the amount and percentage of responses of each follow-up option. Note that only unhappy or very unhappy responses to the main survey question lead to these follow-up options. The highlights chart shows the amount and percentage of responses of each follow-up option. Note that only happy and very happy responses to the main survey lead to these follow-up options. Lastly, you have the opportunity to share your results to others on social media and show your customers that their feedback matters. You can easily share the results from here or print this image.